Okay, this is the big handle of the machine, handle A, and this is the handle C, the small handle of this machine. Okay, the small handle C. And then the two middle handle of this machine. Okay, handle B1, B2, and the handle B1. Okay, next, this is the supporting frame of this machine. You need to install these parts like this. 左号是这么用的吗？对。Turn right. Okay, this one. Okay. Ensure this part connect the firm to this part. Okay. These two parts is installed on the two sides of this machine. Okay, this is the accessory bag. Okay, this is the handheld emergency button switch. This is ID motor, used to ID motor. This is the pulse oximeter to test the heartbeat. This is the anti-freezing membrane to cover on the heated area. Okay, this is the power cord for the machine. And this is the USB disc, which consists of the video and the user manual of this machine. This is the key, two keys. And this is the measurement fat wire. Also a measurement scale. This is the rubber ring as well as two spire fuse. The last one is the tube shorted tube for your spares. Okay, that's all.
Okay, one.
This is the screws to screws to fix the parts on the machine. Yeah, please follow our steps and install the parts on the machine firmly. I觉得这样子静挺好。咱们可以再烧一下同时，然后再配上。Okay, the other set. Okay, to install the supporting frame. Okay. Okay. Now you can install the 4 handles on the 4 places as you like. Yeah. When you install the handles, first push the connector to the center, then install. Yeah. Yeah. When the handle is connected well, you can hear a sound of click. You can hear a sound. Okay. Yeah. Install the left 3 handles in order. 没事，你就按。这个在看这个是一直为什么？
你那这随便插。
呀，刚才说了，我在这个 manual 里面也说了，因为客户有问。Okay, this is the handheld emergency button held by the client during the treatment. If the client do not feel well during the treatment, he can press the button, then the vacuum will stop immediately. Okay, the last thing, the key. Okay. 还有。Okay, now adding water. When you're adding water, you need to use this part, the shorted tube, to help avoid the error 1. Okay. First, put the funnel in connected to the input outlet. Inlet. Keep adding water until the vents spills about 6 liters water. When you're adding water, please note that you should use purified water or distilled water. Yeah. When the vents spills, then you can stop.